Hey guys, sorry I got choked. So today we are going to be dividing a fraction by a whole number. So earlier in the week we divided a whole number by a fraction, and that's on this example right here. And we talked about using models. So we're going to go over the second part of this, and then I'm going to teach you how to do the first part, which is up here. That's a beautiful arrow. Okay, so on the bottom part, it says Brad has 9 pounds of ground turkey to make turkey burgers for a picnic. How many 1/3 pound turkey burgers can he make? So each of these rectangles here are representing 1 pound of ground turkey. So we're going to take each pound and divide it, partition it, so break it up into 3. So that's going to give me 2 lines for each. So we're thirding each piece. So now we need to figure out how many thirds we have. So we can just count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So we have 27 thirds in our 9 pounds of ground turkey. So that's what it means when we divide 9 divided by 1/3. So if you look at the top, we have a fraction that comes first. So 1/4 divided by 3. So 3 friends share a 1/4 pound package of beads equally. So they've only got a 1/4 pound of beads, and they're trying to share this. So what fraction of a pound of beads does each friend get? So we're letting the rectangle represent 1 pound of beads. So this whole rectangle is 1 pound. So we're going to divide the rectangle into fourths, and then divide each fourth into 3 equal parts. So they've already fourthed our 1 whole rectangle. So we need to divide each fourth into 3 equal parts. I'm going to take this down. So 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So the rectangle is now divided into 4 equal parts. So when you divide 1/4 into 3 equal parts, you are finding one of 3 equal parts, or 1/3 of 1/4. So we're going to shade 1/3 of 1/4. So there is 1/3 of 1/4. So each friend is going to get 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 1/12. Each friend is going to get 1/12 of a pound of beads. So not using our models and just using our calculations, I want to go over this that way. All right, so we're going to go down a page and just focus on the calculation part of it. So I'm going to be on 513. So we're going to start and look at number 4. There's a little paint bucket. There it is. And okay, so we have 1/3 divided by 4. So if this was in a word problem, we know that it is what's being shared divided by how many is sharing it. So just looking at number 4, what's shared is 1/3 candy bar, let's say, and how many things or people are sharing it? 4 people. So we're trying to split 1/3 into 4. So how we're going to do this is using KFC. So we're going to set up our problem. 1/3 divided by 4. We're going to use KFC again. keep, flip, change. So we're going to always keep our first one. Let me back up. Before we do that, I want to make this whole number into a fraction. So I'm going to put that over 1. So now I keep my first one. I flip my second one. So 4 over 1 becomes 1/4. And then I'm going to change my sign into multiplications, okay? Keep first one, F, flip second one, C, change the sign. So all I got to do now is multiply straight across. 1 times 1 is 1. 3 times 4 is 12. So 1/12 would be my answer. All right, we're going to look at number 5 now. We have 1/4 divided by 12. My first step is to make my whole number into a fraction by putting it over 1. And now I can use KFC. Keep my first one. Flip my second one. Change my sign from division to multiplication. 1 times 1 equals 1. 4 times 12, 48. So 1/48 would be my answer. All right. Let's look at your worksheet for today. It says write a related multiplication sentence to solve. You guys do not need to do that. You can just solve it. And by me just seeing your work with keep, flip, change, your multiplication sentence will be there. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.